Here are some of your comments. Teacher seems to facilitate the class. Students are given time to work with each other. There seems to be a connection between the students and the teacher. The teacher uses several resources to teach the class. The teacher models what he wants from the students. The first video represents a traditional classroom where the teacher takes care of all the instruction. The students are passive participants and they normally work by themselves. There's a lot of worksheet done and little to no student interaction. Traditional classrooms have existed throughout history. They show rigid structures where assignments and tasks are given to each student, where students are graded based on the standard test, and there is little to no differentiation in the classroom. A classroom using best practices will show students are actively learning, using more experiential hands-on activities, and there will be constant student-to-student interactions. The teacher will facilitate the classroom, and this will become an interdependent community where everyone will learn. In this classroom, the students have choices. They can select their books, their partners, or their projects. Their needs are met individually as the teacher and the students sit down and design a plan that best works for them. The three major components for best practices in the classroom include a student-centered approach, allowing cognitive growth, and interactive classroom. In a student-centered environment, the facilitator or teacher finds ways to activate students' intrinsic motivations by allowing them to ask questions. Students' curiosity leads to greater learning opportunities. Teachers must offer higher-order thinking opportunities for their students to grow, and the students must develop and experience different types of thinking, such as analytical, interpretive, and creative thinking, among others. Facilitators must also allow all types of interactions to happen in the classroom, and teachers must intentionally and explicitly build relations in the classroom from day one, and they have to help maintain those relationships throughout the school year. To recap, in traditional classrooms, the teacher is the king with very rigid structures and less choice, whereas in best practice classrooms, student-centered work is seen everywhere. There's a lot of interaction and collaborative work.